You've probably heard the term fintech thrown around a lot lately, but what does it actually mean? And more importantly, how does it affect your business? Let's dive into a company that's making waves in this space, Airwallex. Now, you might be thinking, Airwallex? Never heard of it. That's okay. Not everyone is a fintech guru, but chances are you've been indirectly impacted by their work. Imagine you order something online from a store in another country, or perhaps you use a ride-sharing app that operates globally. Behind the scenes, there's a complex web of financial transactions happening. That's where Airwallex comes in, simplifying global payments. Essentially, Airwallex is a financial technology company that has built a platform to make international business easier. Think of it as a digital financial infrastructure. It's a system that allows businesses to send and receive money across borders in multiple currencies quickly and securely. But it's not just about sending money. Airwallex offers a suite of financial services tailored for businesses. From currency exchange and international payments to embedded finance solutions, they've got it covered. Airwallex services. Let's break it down. Currency exchange. Need to convert your dollars to euros for a European supplier? Airwallex offers competitive exchange rates and efficient transactions. International payments. Sending money to your team in another country? Airwallex ensures your funds arrive swiftly and securely. Embedded finance. Want to offer financial services within your own app or platform? Airwallex provides the tools to make that happen. But how does this benefit the average business, you ask? Well, it comes down to efficiency and cost effectiveness. Traditional banking systems can be slow, expensive, and riddled with complexities. Airwallex streamlines these processes, saving businesses time and money, empowering businesses to grow globally. Moreover, Airwallex is helping to break down geographical barriers. By simplifying cross-border transactions, they're enabling businesses to expand into new markets with confidence. For example, a small online retailer based in Australia can easily sell its products to customers in the US without worrying about complex payment gateways or currency fluctuations. It's a game changer for startups and SMEs who often face significant challenges when going global. Airwallex levels the playing field by providing the financial infrastructure they need to compete on a worldwide stage. So, the next time you order something from overseas or use a global app, remember, there's a good chance Airwallex is working behind the scenes to make that experience seamless. Airwallex, powering global commerce. Airwallex is more than just a fintech company, it's a catalyst for global economic growth. By simplifying cross-border transactions and providing innovative financial solutions, they're empowering businesses of all sizes to reach their full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.